Everyone attacks this equation the hard way, and almost everybody gets stuck. Now, there is a particular pattern here that hides in these numbers. Now, if you look at it closely, we have 3, 5, 7, and 9 to be the constants. Now, all you need to do is just pair the first and the last numbers to give you a symmetrical pattern. Now, as I said earlier, if you look at it closely now, we have 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now, 3 and 9 will give you 12, 5 and 7 will give you 7. That's a symmetrical pattern. Now I have 3 plus 5 and 3 plus 9 will give you 12. And at the same time, 5 plus 7 will also give you 12. Now it will be in the form s plus 3 into brackets s plus 9. And at the same time, s plus 5 into brackets s plus 7. Now when you expand, you have s squared plus 12s plus 27. Then the second one, you also have s squared plus 12s plus 35. Beautiful. As you can see now, we have 12s to be common to the two expressions. Now say let y is equals to s squared plus 12x. Now the next thing, this expression now becomes y plus 27, and at the same time, y plus 35 is equals to 9. Now this is the hidden pattern. Now let's expand it. Now here now you now have y squared plus 27 plus 35, that should be 62, plus 27 times 35, that should be, this one will be 62y plus 945 is equals to 9. Now move this 9. Now have y squared plus 62y plus 945 minus 9. This is 15, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 6, 3. You have 936 is equals to 0. Now, as you can see now, this method turns this expression to a quadratic equation. That is, you don't need to expand the bracket. If you expand the bracket, you'll be trapped. Now, factorize. Now, when you factorize this expression, you have y plus 26, y plus 26 into bracket y plus 36 is equals to 0. Now, y is equals to minus 26, and at the same time, y is equals to minus 36. Now, in order for us to find this, we have two cases. Now, case 1 is that when y is equals to minus 26, and we said earlier that y is equals to what? S squared plus 12s. You now have s squared plus 12x is equals to what? Minus 26. That's the first case. Now have s squared plus 12x plus 26 is equals to what? 0. Now, you introduce the what? The discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. Now, you now have, what is our b? 12 squared minus 4 times 1 times c. c is 26. The coefficient of s squared is 1. So, you now have 144 minus 4 times 26 will give you 104. So, you now have 40. Now, the discriminant is 40. Then, when you introduce algebraic equation, which is minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So you now have minus 12 plus or minus square root 40 all over 2. S is equals to minus 12 plus or minus square root. Now, square root 40 is what? 4 times 10. And square root 4 is 2. Now I have 2 root 10 all over 2. S is equals to 2 into bracket minus 6 plus or minus root 10 all over 2. Is that not? Yes. Now I have s is equals to minus 6 plus or minus square root 10. That's the first case. Now the second case, which is the case 2, is y is equals to s squared plus 12x. And we said that the discriminant, yes, the first one was what? Minus 36. So minus 36 is equals to s squared plus 12x. So s squared plus 12s plus 36 is equals to 0. Now, when you factorize this, or you look for the discriminant, you also have d is equals to what? B squared minus 4ac. Now, d is equals to b is 12 squared minus 4 into bracket 1 times c. c is what? 36. Is that not? Yes. d is equals to 144 minus 4 times 36 will also give you 144. So the discriminant here is what? 0. So that means we have double root. We have double roots. So since the discriminant is 0, and in order for us to get s, we introduce this formula, minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So s is equals to minus 36 plus or minus square root 0 all over 2. Is that not? Yes, no. b is 12, sorry. d is 12, minus 12. So now I have s is equals to minus 12 plus or minus 0. So 0 is nothing. So you have minus 12 over 2. So s is equals to minus 6. Now, final answer now to this expression will now be 3 answers. Now, the first one is minus, that is the first one we got here, see it here, minus 6 plus square root 10. And at the same time, minus 6 minus square root 10. So the last but not the least is minus 6. Did you see that now? Now, for more Olympiad math sheet and SAT tricks like this, don't forget to follow Sholima Maths TV.